Here at LAMS, we set out to invent a brand new way to kill germs in hospitals. And we succeeded in creating an amazing technology that we can also use to kill germs in our own homes, in our workplaces, and anywhere else germs can be found. We figured out how to produce a small amount of the same natural germ-killing compound that we make in our own lungs, and how to mix that with the air, so that it works all day long, slowly and steadily, to kill germs in the air and on all surfaces in the same space. Imagine that, creating an environment where you're steadily killing germs everywhere, all at once, all at the same time, in the air, on the furniture, underneath it, behind it, on the doorknobs, in every crack and crevice germs may hide. Everywhere the air can reach, all without having to think about it. So what are we using and how are we doing this? Well, we invented and patented a new process to create hydrogen peroxide without using any liquids to make it. We literally use a little bit of the oxygen and a little bit of the humidity from the air itself to make the hydrogen peroxide, which then becomes part of the air, just like the oxygen and the humidity. And there are a couple of other neat things about it. First, the amount of hydrogen peroxide we put into a small bit of the air is hundreds of times less than the amount of hydrogen peroxide you find in the same size bit of our own lung moisture. The other thing is that our process is entirely green. The hydrogen peroxide we make from the oxygen and the humidity in the air itself only exists for a short time, and then it breaks right back down again into the same oxygen and humidity as it disinfects. Meanwhile, our technology continues to work full-time, providing continuous benefit. So let me show you the prototype for the Evrest system by LAMS. So here we are back at the lab. When I say this technology kills germs, I mean that it kills viruses, bacteria, and then mold and other fungi. Against the H1N1 virus, for example, we kill 99.8% of that every 60 minutes. Against MRSA, the bacteria that's killing people in hospitals, we kill 95% of that every 6 hours. And against mold, it's very striking. If you have a wall that's covered in mold, it will turn all the mold in that wall into a fine gray ash that you can simply take a damp sponge and wipe off afterwards. Now, this is the prototype model. The catalyst is at the top. The air flows out through the catalyst to provide the hydrogen peroxide. It's powered by a black light bulb. We're not using any germicidal wavelengths of light. We're not using any ozone-producing wavelengths of light. And we're not putting any solutions into this device. It's simply catalytically processing air. And this is what we're really excited about. This is a model of the mass production device. As you can see, it's got a sleeker design. It has better fit and finish, separate filter assembly. And this is what we're ready to build. We've put a lot of time and effort into our technology to bring it to you. We've done years of research and development. We've been awarded 2 U.S. patents, 9 international, and still have more pending. We've also coordinated with EPA, who's told us that we can bring our technology to market immediately. The next big thing we need to do is fabricate the molds for production so that we can bring our technology to your homes. That's why we're reaching out to those of you who have been asking us all along how soon you can get one of these for your own homes, and to those of you who are hearing about our technology for the first time. With your assistance, we can make a huge difference in your lives and in the lives of the people around you. Thank you for your support.